I saw your question. This was 7.2 to 0.49, section 7, number 2 and 49 out of the book. The mean was given as 1,262. Standard deviation was 117, and you want to know what score, find the score to be at the 27th percentile. So we have this formula that's given. The score equals the mean plus z times the standard deviation. The mean's given up here in the problem, and the standard deviation's given. I guess your question really, centers around finding z. Well, 27th percentile means, 0.27. And your question, you're confused about the table. If it was me, I'd probably use StatCruncher, the calculator, instead of this table 5. But, it's okay to use table also. So what you want to do is find, go in this table and find the number closest to 0.27. And so right here, I don't know if you can make it out, but that's 0.2709. And this is 0.2676. So this number here is closest to 0.27. And so, you look to the left, that's a minus 0.6, and it's a 1. And so the z we're looking for is minus 0.61. That's using the table, crossing this row in the column. Now you can use technology to find it, but table's okay. So then I put it in there. Then you just do the arithmetic, and it tells you to round the nearest whole number. So I guess it's 1,191 would be at the 27th percentile. I hope this helps.